Every great story begins with a vision, a belief that learning can transform not just minds, but the world around them. This is the American University of Ras Al Khaimah, a university that dares to define what's next. Here, curiosity becomes innovation, and learning becomes transformation. We don't just teach, we guide, we challenge, and we celebrate every milestone with our students. Every class, every project, every question is a step toward creating thinkers who lead with purpose. With students from over 50 nationalities, AURAK is a crossroads of cultures, ideas, and stories, where global citizens are shaped through connection and collaboration. AURAK is more than a university. It's an engine of progress for Ras Al Khaimah's future. A partner to industry, a catalyst for innovation, a voice for sustainability, recognized globally, accredited internationally, committed locally. Every journey here begins with a question. What if I could do more? And every graduate leaves with an answer. Yes, I can. Education must evolve. We're preparing our students for Industry 5.0, a world where technology serves humanity and creativity leads progress, guided by vision, driven by innovation, rooted in impact. This is AURAK, where learning is life-changing, where impact is global, where the future begins. Discover AURAK. Discover what's next.